Fairies come join story time. The fall had arrived. Oh, the fall has arrived. Oh, the fall has arrived. And with the fall, the north wind arrived together with it. And all the birds started to fly away to warmer lands. One by one could go to the south to find a warmer place where to spend the fall and the winter. All of them flew away, all but one. He couldn't fly. He had broken his wing. So he found himself alone, trying to find a place where to pass the winter. So he decided to check in the forest with his friends, the trees, and see if any of them could be of help. He started asking the apple tree. My dear apple tree, you that give us such a wonderful fruits, are you able to host me and make a home for me for the winter and the fall? I broke my wing and I cannot fly away with the rest of my friends. Oh, my dear bird, I would love so much to do that for you, but I'm losing all my leaves already. By the winter I will have no leaves and I will be completely bare. My branches will not be of any help to keep you warm. You might need to talk to other trees in the forest that might keep their leaves for the rest of the fall and winter. And then, there you will find your home. I'm sure you will find some trees that will want to help you. Good luck, my dear friend. And the bird continued his trip. And then he went and found a maple tree. Dear maple tree, you are such a wonderful tree. Your leaves are so beautiful and you are so grandiose. I was wondering, I broke my wing and I need to heal, but I will not be able to fly away for the fall. And I'm very scared. I might freeze if I don't find a home. Do you think your branches and leaves will be able to serve me as one? Ah, my dear friend bird, I would love to help you, but I'm going to lose all my leaves. I have already lost quite a bit. What I'm thinking is, why don't you check around my trunk? I might have a hole that might be able to host you. Do you want to? Yes, for sure I will check. And the little bird, jumping, he went around the tree to check if there was any hole, but there was no luck. I haven't found anything. Do you have any other ideas? Where can I go? I am sure you will find a tree that keeps their leaves. They are called the evergreens. So why don't you think of continuing your trip a little bit further, and when you will reach to them, which I'm sure you will find some of them a little bit further in the forest, you can gather my leaves and use them to make a warm nest for yourself. They are sturdy and I'm sure they will be able to stay all winter long. That's a really great idea. I will keep that in mind. I'm gonna continue. Thank you for your help. And he continued. He arrived to the black walnut. Oh, my dear black walnut, You are so beautiful and you give such a fantastic fruits. I see that you are also losing your leaves. I guess it's not a good idea to ask you if you can give me a home, right? I have a broken wing, and I was wondering, but I see probably you will lose all the rest of your leaves, right? Yes, I will. You're very wise, little bird, and you're learning about what's happening around you. But don't worry, a couple of squirrels came to visit me. They are trying to help you. They asked me if they could take some of my nuts to break them for you, to give you some food for the winter. They are already working hard on that, so you need to know you are not alone. Here we are to help you in any way each of us can. And together as a team, I'm sure we'll be able to make sure you are warm and you have food for the winter, so you will be able to heal from that broken wing. Oh, I'm so happy to hear that. So where should I go now? Where do I find those squirrels? Don't worry for that. They will find you. They know where you are. They are moving fast, fast, fast around all the trees trying to find help. So don't worry. What you need to do now is just to continue a bit further. There is a juniper tree and a pine tree that are ready to host you for the winter. You are so close to get to your home. Thank you very, very much for the good news. I will continue further as you say. And he continued his way until he reached to the pine and the juniper that they were growing together. Oh, my dear bird, you are here. I was talking to the squirrels and I was talking to the walnut tree. I was talking to everybody. I'm just so happy you just arrived to us. I was not even sure you would find us. The walnut tree told me how to get to you, and I'm just so happy I found you. Are you then able to give me a home for the winter? I know it's very cold. We are here to help you. It's true we are not very big, but we'll make sure that the north wind will not reach to you. We will stop it with our branches and leaves, and we are evergreens. We keep them all autumn and winter. And like that, the little bird started to get closer and closer and feel them. They smell so good, those trees. Soon the squirrels came and started to bring leaves to make a nest for the bird, and some nuts that will have fruits, so the bird will not get hungry during the winter. That night, the north wind started to blow. But the little bird was protected and didn't feel any of it. And like that, he passed all the winter, very, very happy to have a place where to be. And this story has ended. This is the time to say see you later. And this story has ended. This is the time to say see you later.